Now that your home is pending and the close date is approaching as a seller, it's time to put your move out plan into action. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey from Dilbeck Real Estate.
We all know moving can be a daunting task, but with these stress-free tips, you'll be packed and up on your way into your new destination in no time. First, create a moving checklist. Create your moving checklist can help you stay organized and on track during your move. List all the tasks you need to complete before and during the move, including sorting and packing your belongings, hiring a reputable moving company, and updating your address and disconnecting the utilities.
Next, you want to declutter before packing. Before packing up your home, it's really important to declutter and purge to get rid of items you no longer need. This will reduce the amount of stuff that you have to pack and move, plus it'll make your new home less cluttered.
Now pack room by room. To make packing easier, pack your belongings room by room. Label each box with its contents and the room it belongs to. This will make it easier for you at the end when your movers are moving to unpack, and you'll be already organized.
Next, hire professional movers. Hiring professional movers can make your move much easier and less stressful. Leave the heavy lifting up to the professionals.
Finally, and most importantly, take care of yourself and your family. Although it may seem overwhelming and stressful, remember, it's only temporary, and soon you'll be enjoying your new home. So if you've been thinking about making a move this year, whether you're buying or selling, please reach out to us so we can help you strategize your next move.
We're John and Claire Hickey of Dilbeck Real Estate. We love guiding you home.